Hi everybody, this is Matt, your personal odor expert here in Coral Springs. Look at this beautiful truck. I have a private homeowner here that bought this truck. The dealership gave it to him with this tobacco odor in here. I don't know why they do that. I think they try to see if the customer's going to notice it or not. But, you know, I have relationships with these dealerships. They usually call me, but sometimes they, for whatever reason, they don't. But here we are. We're doing it for the homeowner here. And look, I treat this whole car with a beautiful integral process that's been proven over many years with industrial grade, non-toxic, non-staining products that are designed to eliminate the odor. It takes about an hour. It's all hand applied. It takes a certain amount of expertise and experience to know how to do this, but basically treat every square inch of the car. And then I follow it up with another secondary proprietary step of the process, which goes through the HVAC, and it basically renders the car back to neutral, so you won't smell anything. My name is Matt. I'm at 954-589-3083. I can treat your home, your apartment, your boat, your plane, your car. Hey, look, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice, and you take it easy. And if it's really easy, take it twice.